This is Colin Dijs from Debrew, and in this video I will show you how to make money with push traffic in the last quarter of 2020. So we have Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Boxing Day, Christmas coming up. The spendings right now in the world are huge, and I will show you how you can benefit from it by showing you the most trending ads right now on push. So let's have a look. But first, a little promotion. My full stack affiliate platform, the Debrew Suite, now offers for a limited time only upwards to 80% off. We have a tracking software, a landing page builder and a spy tool, cash flow manager and so much more. So feel free to check it out through the description down below. Click the link. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, watch the video on the dashboard to claim your deal with upwards to 80% off. But if not of that, let's go back to the video. Right, I'm logged into the Nstrax Push Spy tool. This is a great tool to basically see what other people are running, what the opportunities are currently in the market, and what we can perhaps run right now to grab a little bit of a piece of that pie where the most money is made. So there's a whole list of countries. I will focus in this video on the US, assuming that the most money is spent in that specific country. Big on consumption. All right. First of all, I will also add the language filter because I only want to see ads in English. In addition to that, I probably want to filter the ad network. So we have a lot of different ad networks, and I'm just looking for one which has a lot of ads. All right, that's push, 115,000 different ads, 317,000, all right, 195,000, all right, let's do mega push. And then, all right, so now we have a whole list of ads, right? We have the newest ones at the top, but some of the ads might be shit, right? And we want to see only ads that make good money. So what we're going to do is I want the ads to be displayed to be at least running 1 week, right? So they have to be running 1 week in order to, show some traction. Then the Alexa rank, strength rank, doesn't matter that much. What I will do is I will just look for ads which I think are good, which you can use as well for your campaigns. All right, so this is a gold promotion ads, probably goes to stocks for warning signs of dementia. Low in price, high, okay, Macy's. All right, that's interesting. Okay, so we cannot view the actual offer. These are more adult related offers, which I'm not too interested in promoting. Dry eyes test, all right. Apparently a lot of people have dry eyes. New message from, okay, it's probably a dating one. There's a whole lot of random stuff on here for like e-commerce as well. Whoa. Let me just filter a little bit more. Let's do filter on ad strength. Let's put the ad strength at around 100. 101. So we don't get too much crap. Right, so apparently Mega Push has a mix of mainstream and adult, as you can see. Divorced, a lot of dating offers, something which we generally don't promote that much for our business, but apparently it's a big opportunity. Probably people around Christmas time kind of lonely. I will try to click on one which is not that aggressive to see if the lander is suitable. Yes, boarding quarantine. Then let's see, and you click yes. And then you play video, but this is probably a push opt-in, so I'm not going to play it. But obviously this is a great way to build an adult database for push. Let's not do mega push, because apparently they have a whole lot of adult stuff and I don't want to get demonetized. So we will add propeller ads. So propeller ads, I know they have a separate mainstream and a separate adult, so we'll mostly see mainstream ads. So you see a lot of the class action lawsuit stuff. Now let's increase the ad strength even more to around 300. All right. New driving law, you see a lot of these ads. What's that about? It redirects you to an iPhone offer. All right, this is the original one. Ah, all right. So this is probably, it looks like an insurance advertorial. Let's have a look. Yeah. So for insurance, that's a very smart ad to get the hook done. So the thing in the US is January, February, March, April is like the healthcare sign up. I think the annual healthcare sign up or something. So there you will see a lot of healthcare insurance related ads. But in addition to that, you see weight loss, you see again the dating ones. So definitely a clear pattern there. You already know, which I tell you in my other videos all the time, health, wealth, dating are the top 3 all-time verticals to make money online. And you see quite a bit of these ads for hot deals. This one doesn't load the preview. Let's see this one. 5 cheapest cell phone plans. Oh, all right, that's weird. Oh, all right, fair enough. It just redirects all the time. Top 5 trade schools near you. So this is probably a binary offer. Is this still online or is it already offline? All right, so yeah, this is probably like a ad which shows more ads and then they get paid, like an AdSense kind of thing. They don't have that many good ads, to be fair. Let's switch over to the UK. Or let's do all countries, perhaps, even better. All right, RBC Royal Bank. Okay, this is a make money online offer. That's interesting. Okay, it's like a long form advertorial. Click here on the link to see if you can still join. All right, let's do that. Let's be dumb and click on the link, see where it takes. All right, so it's Bitcoin. You can already see from the URL, Bitcoin propeller ads. It's a Bitcoin offer for Canada. Right, so Bitcoin trending, obviously that falls in the wealth. Then this is like antivirus. Samsung S10 sweepstake probably, or is it the credit card trial? No, it's a single opt-in, just a simple quiz, always works well. Miscal, okay, easy forex trick. This is forex, so it's already also the wealth. Okay, Bitcoin, a lot of Bitcoin. Casino, obviously you got the casino ones. Let's increase the gravity to 50. So all these metrics, you know, I don't usually play around with them too often because I like to scroll endlessly to get inspiration, but you can use these metrics to format them a little bit different, see a little bit different ads. But if you don't do a country, you get all the like African stuff. So yeah, I would prefer definitely to put in, let's do UK and see what we get. Nothing. All right. On the things, okay, reset all. Then we do again propeller ads. Oh, propeller ads. Language on English. And then the platform, the country, UK. UK. What the fuck? UK. All right, there we go. So apparently for the filters we set with the graphene and the ad strength, not available in the UK. But you have car insurance again, trade stocks online again, insurance again. HBC online, this is probably going to be Bitcoin again. Yes, Bitcoin profit, direct link. That's stupid, should be with the advertorial, but a lot of the Bitcoin ads, a lot of the dating, and that's the clear pattern on push, but it makes sense. All right, here's the sum up for you, yeah? Just to keep it easy for you. People are lonely around Christmas time, so dating works. Webcam, adult, that kind of stuff is huge. People have break, have holiday, so that just makes sense. People are spending lots of money, so that's important why the wealth offers are trending. In addition to that, the insurance renewal comes up, so people want to know how much they can save. They pre-order their insurance, they get a little discount, and as an affiliate, the insurance game is huge. Then you have your iPhone offers, all that stuff, which in addition to that, sweepstakes always work. Do you want to have an iPhone for your child? Christmas time, you don't have to pay it yourself. Awesome, right? So I would say the general field regarding push, wealth, health, dating. The health we missed a little bit. We saw some new trial offers, but not that many. It's definitely insurance, wealth, dating for this one, for this analysis. We did the UK and we did the US, and that is what we found, similar pattern. All right, if you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below. Good luck.